Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. Thanks so much for joining me today. I have a project share of a journal that's in the shop and I really love how it turned out. It uses faux leather, and this is actually, I cut it from a Sizzix, not the Sizzix Caitlin Lizardi older one that's a little bit bigger, but the Pocket Traveler's Notebook that is one of her newer ones. It automatically punches the holes for you. It's a Pocket Traveler's Notebook, and it measures, let's see if I can get myself a, see, 1, 2, 3, 4 inches by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and a quarter. So about 4 by 5 and a quarter ish. So anyway, this particular one that's for sale in the shop is a brown faux leather, and then on here I heat embossed some gold Studio Light mixed media dots, and I really like those. I have some crinkled seam binding here just to kind of give it a finished edge, I don't know. And then I made this little dangle here out of a few beads and some copper, and I hooked it to the top bit there. So you can see that. That's fun to have a little journal jewelry, right? And then it just opens like this. Then inside is one of my plaids that I have, and that's what lines the whole thing. And these are all, it's got 2 signatures. So we can go through those. And to cut the papers, I used the new Elizabeth Craft Designs in case you were curious about how those got wrinkly. But you could easily tear your paper and do the similar thing. But this cuts out the size there. So alright, so let's quickly flip through that just so you can have a visual. So here's the first page, great spot to write some things. It's got a little pocket here with some little tags. Do this and zoom in. So it's got a few, my hands are getting cold down here, I can't pick stuff up. It's got a few little tags that you can use. And then this little pocket. These are all my papers. The only thing that's not my paper is this paper, is a leftover Prima scrap I had that I thought I wanted to use. So you have this page, you have this page, some stamping, some inking there, this page. So lots of places to journal, lots of places to attach things, to add things. You can certainly add things to this because it's just elastic that stuff slides through, so it's not bound in permanently. My artwork here. So some great spots here too. And what's great about this size is it's very easy to pop in a purse or bag and take with you and journal on the go. I feel like sometimes, you know, you're somewhere and something hits you and you have no place to write down the day's events. So lots of pages here to use. This is another Elizabeth Craft Design edging die there. So that is some washi. That's the first signature. Here's the second one. I love the metal paper here, some graph paper. I have a tag in here, but you could fit more stuff. This is that this isn't the Tim Holtz one, but this is another brand, but I think this is Elizabeth Craft Design die with these pockets here that you can put things in different levels there. So I just stuck a tag in there. That's my artwork there. That paper. It's a fun color. I love these colors. And I inked around all the edges so they have a little bit of a brown, kind of makes them pop out when they're all together like that. That. There's another pocket and a little tag. It's got like a rough edge along here. It's probably hard to see in the video, but it goes in there, and there. So cute little one. Certainly a great gift if you are thinking about maybe, you know, Christmas time is coming and birthdays and whatnot. So if you're thinking about a little gift to give somebody you know that likes to journal, likes to jot things down or write, or any of those sorts of people, it's a great little gift, and I enjoy working on it. And if you want a little sneak peek, I have got this one coming from Studio Light that has this fun curve, and my own digital papers here, and there are lots of fun. Let me zoom back out just a little. this tag here with these two pockets. Isn't that neat? And just using some different, all different shapes. And there's a tag here that kind of hooks onto because of this little doodad. Like that. Lots of fun stuff in the works there. So that one is still being worked on. I'm trying to decide a little closure, and I will share this with you in the interest of those of you who are interested in closures for journals. I did a little experiment. This is a file folder I made with another one of my papers that are in the shop, and I have this little thing here and this little dotted scallop little strip of paper, and you just go like this and you open that up and it's a little file folder in there. So that'll be cute. I'm going to be filling that with some ephemera and loading that in the shop. So lots of things I've been working on. Anyway, I just wanted to give you a little pass through there. It's always easier to see things in video, I think, than even more so in pictures. You can see the texture. So hopefully you enjoyed that. Thanks guys so much for joining me today. I hope you have a great and creative day.